In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a business logo in PayPal Invoice. If you want your invoices to look more professional and consistent with your brand, adding your business logo is a simple but important detail. It helps customers recognize your business right away and gives your invoice a more polished appearance. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to add your logo while creating an invoice in PayPal. To get started, go to your PayPal account and open the invoicing area. From there, click on Create an Invoice. This will take you to the invoice creation screen where you can customize the details before sending it to your customer. Once you're on the invoice page, look for the pin icon and click it. This icon is typically used for editing, so this is where you'll be able to make changes to the appearance or business information connected to the invoice. If you don't notice it right away, take a moment to scan the top section of the invoice layout, since that's usually where branding options appear. After that, click on Add Logo. This opens the option to upload an image that will represent your business on the invoice. Your logo should ideally be a clear, high-quality image so it displays well for your customers. If possible, use a clean version of your logo with readable text and a professional layout. Next, choose your logo from your computer. A file selection window will open, allowing you to browse your folders and pick the correct image file. Before selecting it, make sure it's the version you want to use on customer-facing documents. It's also helpful if the image is properly cropped and not too small, so it fits neatly and looks sharp once uploaded. Once your logo has been selected and appears in the preview area, click on Save. This confirms the change and attaches your business logo to the invoice design. After saving, your invoice should now display the logo, giving it a branded and professional finish. That's all it takes to add a business logo in a PayPal invoice. It's a quick customization, but it can make a big difference in how your invoices look and how your business is presented to clients. If you're sending invoices regularly, taking the moment to set this up can help create a more consistent experience for your customers. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.